Hey there, detective parents. Looking for the perfect monitoring app to help you keep an eye on your kids' online activities? You are in the right place. But before we dive into our full review of the Eyezy app, let's set the stage straight. While monitoring apps can offer valuable insights, they also raise ethical and privacy concerns. So always make sure you have proper permissions and consider the implications of monitoring someone's device without their knowledge. Alright, now that we have got the serious stuff out of the way, let's find out if Eyezy is the right tool for you. So what exactly is Eyezy? Eyezy is a powerful and discreet monitoring app that operates in stealth mode. Once installed, it quietly runs in the background so the person being monitored won't even know it's there. From text and call logs to GPS location and social media messages, Eyezy neatly organizes all the data into a simple, user-friendly dashboard you can access from anywhere. Now let's talk about installation, which is super straightforward if you are using an Android device. First, head over to the Eyezy website and create your account. Choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. You will need physical access to the target phone for a few minutes. Download and install the app on the target phone. Follow the on-screen prompts, grant all the required permissions. Enter the registration code, hit complete installation, and you are good to go. From this point onward, you can monitor everything remotely. No need to touch the phone again. Pretty slick, right? If you need to monitor an iPhone, there is no on-device installation required. Just log in with your child's iCloud credentials and Eyezy will automatically pull in all their backed up data for you to review. Keep in mind, location tracking only works if family sharing is enabled. It really couldn't be simpler. Setting up Eyezy is a breeze. Let's dig into what really makes Eyezy tick. Its standout features. Let's start with the keylogger. This one's powerful. The keylogger records every single keystroke made on the phone. From typed messages in WhatsApp and Instagram to Google searches, login credentials and notes. Everything is logged silently. In my testing, it performed flawlessly, capturing every keystroke in real time. In addition to its standard keylogger, Eyezy also offers a powerful keyword tracking feature. This allows you to set specific keywords or phrases like meetup, don't tell, or any other concerning terms and get instant alerts whenever they are typed on the target device. It's a smart way to stay ahead of potential risks and be notified the moment something suspicious happens. The next interesting feature is screenshot capture. Eyezy's screenshot feature acts like a silent observer whenever the target opens social or chat apps like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, or Instagram. Snap. Eyezy grabs a screenshot of the screen activity. That means you can see the actual chats, posts, or stories they are interacting with, giving you a visual layer of context for what's happening behind the scenes. Now comes one of the most important parental control tools, location tracking. With the pinpoint feature, Eyezy uses your kid's phone's GPS to locate the device accurately. If the GPS is turned off, it shows you their last known location. But here's the cool part, geofencing. You can set up virtual boundaries like your home, school, or office. And when the device enters or leaves these zones, you get instant alerts. Worried if your teen skipped class or visited somewhere shady? Boom, you will know. I have done a separate video on the best geofencing apps. Feel free to watch it from the I button. Moving on to a very crucial feature of Eyezy, Social Spotlight. Eyezy gives you access to messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram, Skype, SMS, emails, and the list goes on. From private chats to DMs and everything in between, Eyezy ensures no digital conversation slips past unnoticed. Online predators and grooming gangs are more active on social media than ever before, making it absolutely essential for parents to monitor their children's digital conversations. This feature plays a crucial role in helping parents identify potential threats early and protect their children from harmful interactions. Moving on, we have Phone Analyzer. Eyezy also lets you monitor incoming and outgoing calls with timestamps and durations. Want to see who they are frequently talking to? This tool lays it all out. Plus, it gives access to the stored contact list. Now let's talk about media monitoring. Concerned about inappropriate content? Eyezy grants full access to all stored images and videos on the device. You can review, download, and save anything suspicious, perfect for concerned parents. It's like a content filter for real life. Eyezy also monitors web activity, including incognito searches on Chrome, whether they are researching something sketchy or just browsing late night memes. You will know. Lastly, let's talk about its remote control feature, which lets you block specific websites, apps, and Wi-Fi networks. A great parental control feature to ensure the overall well-being of your child in the online realm. Eyezy offers flexible subscription plans, including 1 month, 3 month, 12-month options. Whether you need it for short term or plan to monitor long term, there is a pricing tier for everyone. And compared to many others out there, Eyezy delivers solid value for what it offers. Let's discuss some pros and cons of Eyezy. Here's a quick summary of what I liked. Super easy to use. Powerful keylogger. Retrieves deleted messages. Accurate GPS tracking. Visual proof via screenshots. But not everything's perfect. It has no call recording feature. Also, it occasionally delays in syncing new data. That said, Eyezy still ranks as one of the top picks for discreet and effective phone monitoring. If you are okay with the minor drawbacks, it's a solid investment. So, is Eyezy worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and discreet monitoring app, Eyezy brings a lot to the table. Give it a try and see for yourself how it can help you stay informed and protect your loved ones in today's digital jungle. You will find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and how-tos. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, stay in control.